This video is about Strategicfrontend.com, the enterprise platform which was developed together with TMG and Google Apps. It is a completely integrated platform, and it can be reached by all the Google Apps application company domain possesses, like mail, and as the administrator has added under more this Strategicfrontend.com, then the whole company can use it, as well as several gadgets which actually I think funnel back the content from Strategicfrontend.com to the email, so that the email itself becomes the major management platform possibility. So if you connect with single sign-on seamlessly to Strategicfrontend.com, so you have the welcome to Strategicfrontend.com enterprise platform, and you immediately see the similarity of the iPhone and the enterprise application, because the major idea behind this platform is to give a manager the same possibilities and easy to use devices like he has as consumer, for instance over the iPhone or over other kind of smart phones, where you now can add a lot of apps very flexibly in this way. The major distinction of this kind of platform is that you can see it is integrated with all major and new applications of Google, like Mail, like Wave, which is in my opinion the best collaboration platform globally, the whole calendar, Google Docs, and Google Contacts, together with 16 business applications. And what Google gives you as a marketplace for the admin, if it selects Strategicfrontend.com, gives, if you want, a marketplace to his company, so that all the managers can select what they needed most to the same kind of usage byte, and so it is, if you want, a marketplace in the marketplace of the Google universe. So what you have is the business view in 3 dimensions. You have market strategy, how to jointly capture and outperforming opportunities and outperforming competition. You have the scorecard, making strategies operational. You have portfolio, dynamic upgrading of market portfolios. You have innovation, like transfer ideas in projects with open innovations. You have fast introduction of products, which reduces time to market. You have lean value chains network globally. You have the possibility to improve key processes with business process reengineering. You can manage customers globally on a key account basis. You can locally increase sales with strategic customer management. You have the functionality of campaigns, which helps you to target customer locally. You have the opportunity to increase hit rates with superior customer solution. On the opportunity side, you have intelligence, about information about competitors, pricing, transparency, diagnostic and scan possibilities you have, and also I think you have an interesting quality function on these applications. On this side, you have all this information you need to run this platform, like how to set up especially the data structure, and also I think special features like the new one, creating more sales with a CRM email gadget, where you don't need to go always to the customer CRM system, but you can connect data to emails which coming in from specific customers, and you can usually in 80% of the cases directly reply the email, with additional context information, a very new and interesting features which Strategicfrontend.com can leverage. And for every application, of course, you have a special tutorial which gives you an overview how to create content and context in this kind of area. To have a fast look, what is behind that is, if you click on one icon, you see the content, for instance, here the business view in these 3-dimension: region, sector, and categories. And if you look, in a demo example, this is, for instance, how this company is structured in terms of global markets, target markets, and products. And what you have always transparency, of, for instance, of your products. So this gives you a complete business view in terms of regional customer groups and your own products. Or another example, if you look at market strategy, it gives you all the markets where you have already done a strategy. Here again, how it looks like if you have created context and content in a dynamic and digital management process. So if you click on one example, you always get to the data which is highly structured, which is, I think, important, that you not only have collaboration with unstructured data, but also have structured data. And this is only an example how deep you can get. And this actually, I think, brings us back to see what is the advantage. The advantage is that every company gets a complete integration of an internal marketplace of applications, where every manager can select their own kind of functionality based on the integration with all Google app functionality, especially email, calendar, documents, and contacts. And he has a great opportunity to create collaborative processes in the interplay of the wave functionality with all the functions you see on the right-hand side. And here you have the support functions, where you have videos, which gives you an idea how to set up the system, and also how to create more sales, for instance, by using the CRM email gadget, by connecting the customer functionality together with the mail capability. So you can outperform your competitor in terms of faster decision processes, less investments in IT, and using really the cloud computing capabilities, as well as the social web functionality in a very proven kind of environment, because this application runs globally at several global companies, and now it's the first time available also for smaller companies on the Google Marketplace.